Harmony of the Seas. Royal Caribbean's Oasis-class vessel, Harmony of the Seas, is presently the world's biggest ocean liner. Engineered by STX France at its Saint-Nazaire workplace, the third vessel within the series, Harmony of the Seas, was delivered in May 2016. Giving 7-night Western Mediterranean cruises from Metropolis and Civitavecchia, the ship created her maiden voyage in Gregorian calendar month last year. With a gross duty of 226,963 GT, Harmony of the Seas contains a length of 362.12 meters and a most beam of 66 meters. That includes a pair of 747 staterooms with virtual balconies. This biggest vessel is capable of accommodating 479 guests at double occupancy. The allure of the seas. Another 362 meters long Oasis-class ocean liner, Attract of the Seas, stands second once her sister vessel on the list. Engineered at the STX Europe shipyards in Turku, Finland, Attract of the Seas is the second Royal Caribbean ocean liner within the Oasis-class series. Before the arrival of Harmony of the Seas, this was the biggest traveler ships in commission. The vessel contains a gross duty of 225,282 GT, height of 72 meters and most beam of 65 meters. Delivered in October 2010, Attract of the Seas has the capability to accommodate 400 passengers at double occupancy. Options of the luxurious ocean liner embrace a 2-deck ballroom, a theater with 380 seats, associate degree skating edifice, a caretaker club, and spa similarly as fitness facilities, among others. Oasis of the Seas. The first vessel within the Oasis-class cruise ships of Royal Caribbean, Oasis of the Seas, was the biggest ocean liner once it entered the service in 2009. Ordered in February 2006, the vessel was launched from STX Europe's Turku workplace in 2008, marking the entry of recent category vessels within the fleet of Royal Caribbean International. Oasis of the Seas measures 361.6 meters in overall length, 72 meters tall on top of the waterline and 55 meters full, whereas it's a gross duty of 225,282. Quantum of the Seas. Royal Caribbean's Quantum of the Seas is the initial of 3 cruise ships within the Quantum class. The 168,666 GT ocean liner was made by Meyer Werft and created its inaugural journey from New Jersey in Gregorian calendar month 2014. The vessel later repositioned to China in May 2015 and began sailing from Shanghai to Japan and Korean Peninsula. The 347.08 meters long Quantum of the Seas contains the most beam of 49. 47 meters and draft of 8 meters. With 16 traveler decks, Quantum of the Seas will house a complete of 180 passengers in double occupancy, whereas the most guests the vessel will service 4,905. The vessel contains a total of 290 staterooms, as well as balcony staterooms, ocean view staterooms and within staterooms. Anthem of the Seas. The Anthem of the Seas, a sister vessel of Quantum of the Seas, contains a gross duty of 168,666 and measures 348 meters long and contains the most beam of 49.4 meters. This Meyer-Werft engineered vessel, which might cruise up to 22 knots, was launched in February 2015 and commenced its maiden voyage in April of an equivalent year.